My name is Janice Yore, and I live in Coloma, Michigan, and I needed some work done on my crawl space, and so I called Ayers to have the work done. My husband passed away in May, and I'm alone in this really large house that's just a lot for me to try to maintain. And my intent has been to sell this house, and when we bought it, it needed a lot of work, and that was, I don't want somebody who buys this house to have a lot to worry about. And so I really feel confident that having had the crawl space done and done as well as it's been done, that's a real positive selling point for the house. And even if I just want to make sure that the house is in good condition for whomever buys it. And I have a conscience. I want to make sure that I do things right in this life, and I really feel like by using Ayers and having the work done, that's one thing that I've got off my checklist that I have to do to get ready to sell the house. It was last May. We had a very wet spring, but the water was not really the issue. There has always been in the spring an odor. I saw the ad on television, been looking at them. Like I said, we probably should have done this some time ago, but I'd only noticed the ads recently. And they just really seem to cover all of the issues we've been having with our crawl space. I had two different crews because they came and didn't finish, and then a different crew came the second time. And the first crew did mostly cleanup, and there was a lot of old pink board, blue board, insulation, fiberglass, rocks. I really think they literally filled the truck with stuff they had hauled out of there just to get started. And it felt like, a big burden lifted off my shoulders. And the only thing I say is I'm asking myself, we just should have done this sooner. My husband had pretty severe lung disease, and I just really wonder how much of that could have been prevented if we'd done the crawl space sooner. And I'm just happy to know that whoever buys the house will not have the issues that we had with odors and the heating. My electric bill went down for the first time ever since we've lived here, considerably, and my gas bill went down too. So I'm hoping that's a trend that will stay.